So here at Frost, not only do we offer you a range of paint products from many different manufacturers, we also offer a powder coating system as well. We do 3 systems, all from Eastwood, and the first one is single coat PCS 150, ideal for the beginners, this one. We do a range of ancillary products to go with this, high temp tapes, high temp plugs, everything that you'll need, different powders. We do an 8 ounce and a 1 pound bag of powder. The next step up from that is the PCS 250. The beauty with this one is you can go from 15,000 watts up to 2,500 watts. You can actually just flick the switch underneath. That doesn't turn on, by the way, it's just a switch. So you can add a second coat to whatever you powder coated. And then we've got the PCS 1000, which is really a professional bit of kit, this. Absolutely amazing. So you can do virtually any size that you want to do with this one. You get the hopper with it as well. This is a 5 pound hopper. We also do a 2 pound hopper with it as well. It's just more chemically resistant. It's easier to apply. The only thing that you need is an oven, not a gas oven. It's got to be an electric oven. You can either get the small ovens, the toaster ovens, or a kitchen oven. But if you are going to use a kitchen oven, make sure you ask the wife first. It's the Eastwood powder coating system, 3 sets. Give us a call at Frost if you need any more information on any one of these kits. Thank you.